Alright, so welcome to Tips Kalimba, where even you can learn how to play. Alright, so for today, what we're gonna talk about is the buzz, dead tines, or even keys that sounds too stiff. So first of all, in order for you to know how to fix your kalimba, you need to identify it first. What is actually the problem? Is it really a buzz? Is it really a dead tine? Or maybe the key is just stiff. Take your kalimba, pluck each tine, each key, so that you can identify what are the keys that creates an issue. So basically what you're listening for is that zzz sound. So this is what a buzz sounds like, okay? There, you can hear that there's a buzz, right? So move it left. See, when I moved it, I felt that there was something stuck in between. So there, I'll just move it left and right as if I'm trying to swipe it clean. Okay, it's like you're removing buildups. See. If I hear it here, what I'll do is I also try to move the one beside it. There you go. The next advice, according to your kalimba manuals, usually you're gonna read that they tell you to put paper in between, so let's try that. So slip a paper in between. I'll just hold it with both hands, like so that I can lift up from this area. And what I'll do is it's like I'm wiping it. There you go. Now, let's see how it sounds like after that. How about if it sounds stiff? So this is where you're gonna commonly hear the stiff sounds on the end keys. So here's how it sounds like. Okay, so solutions. Alright, so our friend Dreamkeeper88 has suggested such a wonderful idea. She suggested that to solve your tight tines, try lowering the tuning of your kalimba. So example, your kalimba is tuned to the key of C. Try changing it and lowering it to B. See, because of course that lengthens the tine, thus giving it more space or more room to resonate. So that's a good suggestion because it will relieve the tightness. That does work. As compared to just keep on playing it. There has been a theory saying that you can try to use a longer tine. So let's see how true that is, okay? It's tuned to E, but that's how it sounds like. It still sounds tight. So for me, I'll still test this more to see if this long tine actually works. Once I tried out the flatboards, I noticed that, okay, the flatboards have way better end tines, so I started choosing them over hollow kalimbas. That is something to consider if you do want your hollow kalimba. Though, of course, they have their pros and cons, but for me, I prefer to have keys that are fully resonating, thus flatboards. Alright, so next, of course, the dead tines. Believe me, if you hear it, you know it. Do you know the sound of a cowbell? This is how a dead tine sounds like. Here is just a test to know if it's really dead or not. So you have C, okay, remember that. Now try to move your tine lower. But in this instance, the keys that are dead is B and C. So they're together. So if I lower this to B, it'll still be dead since B is already dead. Let me show it to you, okay? There, since it's the same key, it's still dead. If I move this to, let's say, B, listen to it. is gonna be dead. Because the tine is not the problem, it's actually the body of your kalimba. A sharp. See? It died also. There's no sound in it. For the solution, this is only applicable if the dead keys are on the high ends, okay? Because if it's around here, like G, F, D, it's gonna be quite hard, since what we're gonna do is what we have done for your tight keys. We're just gonna lower the tuning so that you can, it's like you're canceling out the dead keys because you're moving it down. So you're skipping that note. The highest C is dead. So you're gonna tune your kalimba wherein C, the highest C would not be included in that 17 keys. Or you can make it the highest end key here, though it will be dead. It'll still be dead. The last resolve, if your kalimba really has dead keys and you really want to play different songs that needs those high keys, I do suggest that you get one that is better. Tried to move every part of this kalimba. I replaced every parts of it 3 times and it's still dead on that specific, on those specific keys. So it's not the tine, it's not the wood, it's not that metal bar, it's actually the quality of the body. So again, here's how it sounds like. Here's a tight, and here is a buzz. That is all. Again, if you find this helpful, do let me know by putting a thumbs up. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and you have found value in what we have talked about, do consider subscribing so that you can be updated to more lessons, to more learnings as regards to the kalimba. And we're so happy that you're here. Thank you for spending your time with us. Okay, with that being said, may the Lord bless you and may He keep you and may His face shine upon you and may He be gracious to you, because He who promised is faithful and true. Don't you just love that? Alright, so of course, we're gonna give time for our amazing Kalimbuddies. Thank you so much for being part of the community, for being part of the family. Because we're not just a group of people together, but I believe we are united as a family. And that's just something very beautiful to me. Okay, so I just want to add on my birthday greetings to everyone who's celebrating their birthday, especially this month of June. Happy birthday, everyone, and also to you, Den Den. I know it's your birthday today, so happy birthday. And yeah, let's celebrate everyone, let's celebrate each other, and may the rest of your 354 days be filled with love, joy, and peace.